Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. I'm live here in my members area, and you'll see in the top left-hand corner now my total earnings are $460.75. More importantly, in this video, to show you how you can promote one link. The link is called Mega Link, and this is one of several products within the OLSP system. But the Mega Link is where you can promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. So I'll just show you a few of those income streams now. And if I just scroll down here a little bit, you'll see this one here is called TD Pages Monthly. So this is the amount of commissions you earn in this column. This is a $9.40 monthly recurring commission. Now remember, you're only paying a one-time $7 for this product. There's no for Megalink. There's no monthly membership costs, and you get 100% commissions. This is $7 commissions here. So you see here there's several on this page. 100% $7 coming in. There's also one called Mega Messenger, where you get a $5.40 monthly recurring income. That's one where I've made a withdrawal of my commission, so you do get paid. Another Mega Messenger here. Let's go on to the next page. And there's no one here, another product here, $7, 100% commission, called List Building and Magic Link. This one here, List Building and Magic Link. And you'll see there's another List Building and Magic Link here. So the products convert well. There's mega links on this page. There's more mega messengers on this page as well. So I've done lots of other videos showing commissions. So I just want to give you sort of a brief overview there. But more importantly in this video, there's no monthly membership costs with MegaLink. So that's if you're brand new or you want to add an additional income stream to your portfolio, this is a great product to be able to do that. And you just promote one link. You promote your Mega Link. I'm going to show you exactly the absolute insane value you get and what you get with this product. I'm going to take you into the members area and show you what you get and how the system works. Understand, it's important to understand how this system works and what you're going to get for your $7. You're going to get done for you email follow-ups that will promote your affiliate link. So you don't even have to buy an autoresponder. You're going to get all the help and support and training that you need. There's a Facebook group with 144,000 members. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So we're not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. Just sharing with you what works for me and the other members of OLSP System. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System, and also, if you wish to do so, promote it as an affiliate. So let's just have a look now. This is the owner, Wayne Crowe. So it says here, one link, 7 income streams. I recommend that you click the link in the description and get access to this video and come and meet Wayne Crowe. Suppose he's going to teach you how to become successful with affiliate marketing. He's the creator and the owner of this product. So if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for somebody that's going to help you learn the skills required to become successful with affiliate marketing, he's been doing this for over 10 years. And everything he's learned, he will pass on to you inside of OLSP System. And what he does, if you go into the members area here, there's a free training here, how I made 10 million in commission. So Wayne does all his own trainings. You got all these trainings down here in the members area. You'll see here up and coming events. So he does trainings, free trainings for you every week and replays, questions and answers, how to learn the skills to get traffic, how to email, how to use social media. If you want a coaching call, a personal coaching call with Wayne, then you can click on here and you can be mentored one-to-one by Wayne if you wish to do so. So what you do is when you join, you click here, access product, and you go on to this video page here. So what I'll do is I'll just explain now the how the system works, how simple it is, nothing hard, nothing technical, so perfect for beginners, or if you're reasonably new to making money online, then this is a perfect system for you. So what you do, if you look in the top right hand corner, it says mega link. So this affiliate link here, this one here, this affiliate link, you just copy and paste that. And what that is, that's a done for you lead capture page, this one here. So you're just going to promote one link. That's all you've got to do. And then what happens is, if I just come back into Wayne's video. So when you join, you watch this video here, welcome to Megalink, and he'll teach you in here the system of how it works. Now you'll see here that Wayne has drawn a line down here. This line's really important because this is a 100% done for you system. So all you've got to be concerned with is these two boxes to the left hand side of this line here. So the first box that you're concerned with is Megalink, and I've just shown you where you get your lead, your affiliate link to promote Megalink. Now this is really just one box that you're concerned with, and that's this one here. And what Wayne will do, he will teach you. You've only got one thing to do, and that's how to drive traffic, get people to see your Megalink, and that's it. Very, very simple. And then Wayne's on the right hand side of the line, he does all the technical stuff. You don't have to get technical, you don't have to create anything. It's 100% done for you. All of this over here on the right hand side for a one time, no monthly membership costs, $7. Probably the best offer, the best value I think I've ever seen in anything I've promoted as an affiliate. So you're going to learn traffic. Now he's going to teach you traffic. He's going to do trainings. You've got training in the members there. He's going to train you. He's going to train you how to get traffic. He's going to train you how to get traffic. Free traffic, cheap traffic, paid traffic, whichever you want, whatever's within your budget. And you drive traffic to your lead capture page, and then this one that I showed you earlier. And then what happens is over here, your prospects will put their email address into here. It's really simple. Promote one page. And then what happens is when the magic really starts to happen. What Wayne and his team do, they start to send out emails for you every day. He's got 32 staff. He said this system has cost him $250,000, and he sends out emails for you. Now, when I mean he sends out emails for you every day, you'd have to buy an autoresponder, you'd have to set anything up, they're professionally done. Within those emails, he's going to promote these offers. But within those offers, he's going to put your affiliate link into those offers. And when somebody buys, you'll make money. He's doing the work for you. Now you'll see here, he's promoting low ticket offers. He's promoting monthly recurring offers. He's promoting high ticket offers. You don't have to buy any of these. He created his own product, so he can do that for you. All you're paying is a one-time $7, and all of this, everything over here, is all done for you. This is on autopilot. This is when you're asleep. AP for autopilot. This is when you're asleep. This is when you're at work. You're out with your family and friends. You got hobbies. Now it gets even better because only 5% of people succeed with affiliate marketing. 95% of fail because they don't get the help and the support. They don't have anyone to talk to. They get stuck, they've got questions, and then they've got no one to talk to. So he's created a Facebook group. He's created a community of 144,000 members now. Over here, 144,000 members. So you're going to get help, you're going to get support, you're going to get training. Any questions at all that you've got. So Wayne Crowe is also very active within this group as well. It's his Facebook group, Group by Wayne Crowe. You'll see it here. It's not someone that's a member that's created it. All right, you'll see that's where he is there. You can become friends on Facebook with him. You can send messages. There's support. Everything is here that you need to become successful with affiliate marketing. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. So I do several new uploads, several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System or Megalink, then please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you want my email address is in the description. If you'd like me to mentor you one-to-one, then I do mentor students as well. So if you want any help from me, then my email address is in the description where you can contact me direct. But what I recommend you do is I recommend you come and meet Wayne Crowe. Click the link in the description, get access to this video, just a short video, just 10 minutes, and Wayne's going to explain how he can teach you to become successful with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for someone to help you succeed, I can highly recommend this gentleman here. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Excuse me. And thanks a lot, and bye for now.